If you are scared of losing money, today's topic is important for you. Welcome to day 6 of your Investing Made Simple series. Today, I'm going to be telling you about risk. It's very important to understand the role that risk plays when you invest. First of all, you need to understand the risk that is associated with every kind of investment, but also your own risk tolerance level. How much risk can you take? Now, when it comes to different assets, there are different risks associated with each asset. Some assets have higher risk and so promise higher return, and assets that have lower risk also tend to promise lower return. So risk and return, which is your profit, they have a relationship. That will also allow you to spot assets that are not real assets, potentially scams. So if an asset is promising you 200% return in 3 months, sis, bros, that's probably not a true asset. You need to watch out, because most assets, most real assets will not promise you that level of return in that short a period of time. That high return is also telling you that you are taking a huge amount of risk with your money. Over the next few days, when I talk about the different kinds of assets you can invest in, I will also tell you the risk level of that asset compared to other assets. Now, the second kind of risk I want to tell you about is your own risk tolerance. You might be a low risk tolerant individual, which means you don't like your money to go into volatile situations. You like to put your money into an asset and just see steady returns at all time, and a little bit of a dip or a serious dip will cause you a lot of anxiety or concern. Then you are a low risk tolerant person. If you are a medium risk tolerant person, it means that you don't mind a bit of volatility, which is movement in your profit, doesn't bother you. You are willing to sit it out and just allow your assets to do what it needs to do to take you to your end goal. You have medium risk tolerance. Now, a high risk tolerance person is somebody who just doesn't mind volatility. If I lose some money, we win some, we lose some. If I make money, absolutely good. If I don't make money this year, we go again next year. You're a high risk tolerant person. It's very important that you know your risk tolerance before you start investing, so that you can invest in assets that suit your tolerance level, so that you don't give yourself unnecessary anxiety because you are an investor. Well done on completing day 6 of the Investing Made Simple series. Tell me your risk tolerance level in the comment section. Let's discuss.